Hi guys, this is me P99H again. Hey, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this Anker PowerPort 10. I kind of unboxed it already, but I just wanted to show you guys something because I noticed something kind of suspicious, or maybe it might be me. Okay, so I got this sabrent charger. I had this for like a year. Had it for a year. Okay, actually a year and a half. Sorry guys. Had it for a year and a half. It worked pretty good. One of the lights don't show. Some of them do. But anyways, let's get to the Anker unboxing. Okay, here's the box that it came with. Nothing fancy. You guys watched all the videos already. So, just gonna do a quick unboxing because there's a million unboxing videos. But here's something interesting, okay? So this is fairly small. It looks big in the Amazon description, but I want to let you guys know I got some pretty big hands. Look at that upside down. Look how small that is. Okay, look at that. They crammed all of these 10 ports in here, and it's super small. I mean, compared to this, which without the cords it might be pretty small, whatever, but the cords, look at how disorganized that is. Anyways, look at this compared to this. Okay, so if you got the extra money, I really highly recommend this thing. I haven't charged it, like I haven't used it and charged stuff on it, but I can already tell you with all the million views, like million of YouTube videos, this thing is gonna way outperform this. So if I was you, save your money. Don't get this because stuff can fall in it. It's burned a couple tablets of mine already, a couple phones, caught on fire with this thing. So anyways, I just wanted to tell you to buy this. But here's the interesting part though, okay? So the cord that I believe came with the sabrent, you got this? Okay. The cord that came in with this is this cord. And I don't know if you can see, let me get these glasses. I don't know if you can see, but take a look at the specs of that cord.
Not really.
You gotta touch it to focus. Look at the specs.
I don't understand how to use it.
You just touch it.
Okay.
Okay, look at that. 10 amps at 125 volts, I believe that says. Okay, 10 amps. Okay, this and the description says 12 amps max. I don't know. Okay. 12 amps max. Okay. But anyways, here's the trippy thing, and this is the whole reason why I'm doing this video. I might be confused or something, okay? Because the cord, this says 12 amps max. I believe. I don't know if you could see. Is that 12 amps? What does that say? Am I tripping?
It says 2.4 amps max per port. 5 volts, 12 amps.
Yeah, 12 amps. Okay. 12 amps, right? But look at the cord that came with this thing. I'm not making this stuff up. So, I don't know if this is supposed to maybe be 12 amps. I don't know. But look what the cord says.
It says 12.5 volts, 7 amps.
Yeah, so this is a 7 amp cord.
120.
Yeah, 125. So I don't know, 7 amps compared to 10 amps, but it looks like the sabrent is gonna fit in here. So hopefully I don't burn the house down, but I'm gonna stick this plug in here because I don't trust 7 volts. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So you guys have a good, hey, make sure you like this video, subscribe, it would really help this channel out. And then there will be more videos coming as soon as I get my money up. Thank you guys, have a great night.